The Lubluelu 4000Pa robot vacuum is equipped with advanced LiDAR mapping technology, ensuring precise navigation and efficient cleaning paths in complex home environments. This robotic vacuum offers robust cleaning performance with its brushless motor and adaptive suction power, making it ideal for tackling pet hair and dirt on various surfaces. With the convenience of smart app and voice control, users can easily customize cleaning schedules and modes, including creating no-go zones to protect specific areas of the home. The versatile 2-in-1 vacuum and mop feature allows for thorough cleaning with adjustable water flow, leaving floors spotless with its Y-shaped mopping pattern. Designed for uninterrupted cleaning, this device can automatically recharge and resume cleaning from where it left off, ensuring no area is missed. Enhanced with a suite of sensors, the Lubluelu robot vacuum efficiently avoids obstacles and can navigate over thresholds up to 18 millimeters, providing seamless cleaning throughout the home.